Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to buy Midjourney on Discord. With this tutorial, you'll be able to use AI in Discord. Now, from my understanding, Midjourney is an AI bot that you can use on Discord. So, just go to Safari, Google, or any other browser that you may have. In my case, I'm using Opera GX, and search for Midjourney on Discord. And just tap on this. As you can see, it opened my Discord. If you actually go ahead and tap on this link right here, it's gonna send an invite to join your server or you to join their server. And basically, once you're in that server, you can ask the bot to give you a link. The link will bring you to a website which needs payment to use Midjourney, because Midjourney is, I think, in its beta form and I don't think it's completed yet, and you'd have to pay it first to actually try it out. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.